Hello, in the next few tutorials I'm going to show you how to use spawn and destroy to add dynamic elements to your level. I have this actor here called bouncing actor, that basically when, if we look at the event graph, um, when the play starts, right, we're going to add random material to it, and then we have this event that it will call later that basically makes the sphere here bounce up and down. All right. So if we go back here, the easiest way to spawn something is directly from the level blueprint. So what we're gonna do here is add an event, and that when we press the T key, right, we either spawn or destroy an actor. So we connect these to a flip-flop, which means that we're going to toggle between executing sequence A and executing sequence B here, right? So from B, we pull out and attach actor from class, spawn actor from class, right? And we're gonna here you need to supply the type of actor that you want to spawn, which is type of bouncing actor. You need to give it a transform, so let's make a vector, and oh no, let's make a vector again and pick the right one. And here we're going to hard code spawning it at location 0, or let's say 0, 0 and 50. All right. This is of type vector, but these node the specs, these pin specs are transformed, so there is a conversion that occurs here that is handled for us. So if we go into our level and we play, when we press T, a sphere appears at 0, 0, 50, and we see how it bounces up and down. All right. Now we need to make it disappear as well, right? Destroy it. So from the second pin here, we're gonna call the destroy actor. Right? And you see how a necessary input to the destroy actor is the actor that we want to destroy. So what we need to do is when we spawn it here, make sure that we promote this to a variable that we're gonna call a spawned actor. Save it. Oh, sorry, I already have a variable called that, so let's delete these two. Yes, and these I don't need. These were left over from before. So we want to let's delete that one again, and then here we say promote to variable, and we call this spawned actor. Okay, so that you see the right workflow. So now we have this variable that we can pull in here, and when with first press of the key T, it spawns the actor, stores it here. Next time we press T, it destroys it. All right, so let's test this. And we spawn it, it's going to have a different color, right? Destroy, spawn, destroy, spawn, destroy, spawn, destroy, and so on. Okay, so this is the very first introduction, doing it from the level blueprint. In the next video, you'll see how to do it from volume, so we can contain where the spawning occurs or randomize how it occurs within a certain volume of our level.